Welcome. In this video I will show you how to change the device name of your LENOVO Yoga Slim 7. To do that, we have to open the Start menu, then go to Settings. Then, in Home section, we can click Rename right here below our device's name, and then enter the new name for our desktop using only letters, hyphens, and numbers, so do not use space bars. Let's rename our laptop to, and then to apply, click Next. Then to apply changes, you have to restart your computer. You can do it now or later. I'm gonna restart the computer now to show you the change. Let's click Restart Now and wait. And after the restart, let's go back to Start menu, Settings, and then in Home tab we'll be able to see our new device name. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.